Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to change your profile picture in Windows 10. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. First of all, click on your Windows icon. Then click on this settings option. Now click on this account option. So as you can see currently, I don't have any profile picture. So to add or change your profile picture, you have two options. First, you can use your webcam to take a picture, or you can browse from your computer. So I will go for the second one, browse from my computer. Now select the location where you have your profile picture. So this is a picture I will use. Now wait for a few seconds. Now you can see my profile picture has been added. I will show you. You can see this is my profile picture. So this is how you can add or change your profile picture on your Windows 10 operating system. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.